Yo, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you are new here, welcome. My name is Kingsley Atuba. I'm originally from Nigeria, from Africa. And welcome to today's video. I'm so humble. Having life, having good health, or else would you ask for? I hope you are also grateful for life. For my dear subscribers, do make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about today's video. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. From Kingsley to the world, I love you guys so much. So welcome again to another beautiful video. Let's go straight to the business. In today's video, guys, I'm going to give you the latest update concerning the new road, Port Harcourt Expressway, Abia State. You can see the massive work that's going on right now. From here to where the road will stop. So stay with me and enjoy the video. Thank you so much. This is a very good and important development coming from Oti. Julius Berger using cement technology to construct Port Harcourt to Abia State. Dr. Oti is doing wonders in Abia State. Governor Alex Oti making Abia proud. The new Abba is near Abia State, Nigeria. Thank you so much, everybody. Type in, do enjoy the ride, and please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you so much. Abia to the world. Small-scale industries, particularly in the product of textiles, garments, and footwear. It is home to numerous artisans and craftsmen who create high-quality products and is often considered the fashion capital of Nigeria.